Hello everyone. Welcome back to our stock market learning channel. Before we start today's video, I kindly request all viewers to pause the video and read the disclaimer shown on your screen carefully. Once you have read it, let's continue with today's lesson. In our previous video, we learned about Demat accounts and trading accounts. We understood that a Demat account is like a digital locker where our shares and other investments are stored. But now, you may have a very important question. Where does this digital locker actually exist? Is it inside Zerodha? Is it inside Grove? Or is it inside your mobile phone? No. Your broker is mainly the interface through which you access your Demat account. The securities are held through one of India's two central depositories, NSDL or CDSL. Let's understand this with a very simple example. Imagine you have a bank account. You may use an app like a mobile banking app. But your money isn't physically stored inside your mobile phone. The bank maintains your account and records your money. In a similar way, your broker provides the platform to access your Demat account, while the depository maintains the electronic records of your securities. So think of bank right pointing arrow holds your money. Depository right pointing arrow holds your digital securities. NSDL and CDSL perform this depository function in India. What is a depository? A depository is an organization that holds financial securities in electronic form on behalf of investors. These securities can include shares, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs. Instead of keeping physical paper certificates, your investments are maintained electronically. So remember, depository equals digital storage system for your investments. Who is a depository participant? Now comes another important term. Depository participant, or DP. You cannot simply walk into NSDL or CDSL and say, "Please open a Demat account for me." Instead, you access these depositories through registered intermediaries called depository participants. Your stockbroker or bank can act as your DP. Zerodha, Grove, ICICI Direct. When you open a Demat account through such a broker, the broker acts as the intermediary connecting you to the relevant depository. So the simple structure is your to broker, DP to NSDL or CDSL. Now meet the two giants. India has two major depositories, NSDL and CDSL. Both perform the same core function of maintaining electronic securities records under the regulatory framework. Let's understand them one by one. The first one is NSDL. NSDL stands for National Securities Depository Limited. It was established in 1996. It was India's first digital depository and was created to help eliminate the risks associated with physical share certificates. NSDL was promoted by the National Stock Exchange along with major institutional entities such as IDBI. Historically, NSDL has had a strong presence among large financial institutions, corporate houses, and high net worth individuals. The second one is CDSL. CDSL stands for Central Depository Services Limited. It was established in 1999. It was created to bring more competition into India's depository system. Its primary promoter is the Bombay Stock Exchange, or BSE. CDSL has focused strongly on making depository services accessible to retail investors. Many new age discount brokers, such as Zerodha and Grove, primarily partner with CDSL, giving it a large retail investor presence. How can you know whether your Demat account is NSDL or CDSL? This is a very useful point for beginners. You can usually identify the depository by looking at your Demat account number, also called the beneficiary owner ID or BOID. An NSDL account number is alphanumeric. It starts with the letters iodine mononitride, followed by 14 digits. For example, IN 1234567890123. A CDSL account number is a 16-digit numeric number. For example, 1,208,160,000,1,234,567. So an easy trick is, NSDL is in plus 14 digits. CDSL is 16 numbers. Now let's understand their important duties. 1. Dematerialization. Suppose you have an old physical share certificate. The depository system can help convert those physical securities into electronic form. This process is called dematerialization. 2. Corporate actions. Suppose a company announces a dividend, stock split, or bonus shares. The depository system helps ensure these benefits are credited to the investor's account according to the applicable corporate action process. 3. Pledging shares. Suppose you own shares but don't want to sell them. Under applicable rules and processes, you may be able to pledge those shares as collateral for a loan or to obtain trading margin. This is called electronic pledging. Shield. What if my broker shuts down? This is one of the most important things to understand. Suppose your broker faces serious financial problems or stops operating. Does that automatically mean you lose your shares? No. Your securities are maintained through the depository system and are linked to your investor details. This allows you to transfer your holdings to another broker, subject to the applicable process. So remember, broker equals platform. Depository equals securities record keeper. This is a very important difference. Let's make the entire topic very simple. NSDL. Established 1996. NSE Association. Account starts within. CDSL. Established 1999. BSE Association. 16-digit numeric account. And remember, depository equals digital locker system. DP equals bridge between you and depository. Broker equals platform through which you access and operate your account. So, what did we learn today? A depository maintains electronic records of your investments. India has two central depositories, NSDL and CDSL. Your broker or bank can act as your depository participant. NSDL was established in 1996. CDSL was established in 1999. And both play an important role in maintaining your securities electronically and supporting processes such as dematerialization, corporate actions, and pledging. Most importantly, remember this simple flow. Your to broker, DP to NSDL or CDSL to your securities. That's it for today's lesson. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps the channel grow. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.